So we're here in Baker, California. This is the Death Valley charging station. There are a crap ton of them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, about 100 charging stations here. Again, we're in Death Valley right now in Baker, California. And then they have about 2, 4, 6, 12? Sorry if it's a little windy and dusty. They have about 12 normal people car. That's 4, 8, yeah. There's 12 Electridy America chargers. Surprisingly, they're all working. There's over 100 charging stations here. I didn't even see that back row right there. But yeah, if you gotta come charge your Tesla, you're driving through Baker, California. This is insane. I've never seen this many like Teslas in one spot. Never saw this many charging stations in one spot. You can even hear whatever these vents are just going off right now. Those are also solar panels up there. And you can come and chill at the Dairy Queen Grill and Chill.